Good morning students, this is Mahalakshmi. I am working in G.K.Jain school. Today I am going to talk about the place value for grade 4. What is place value? Place value is nothing. We mention the position of the number. So here ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Right. 1 short form is O. 10 short form is T. 100 short form is H. And 1000 short form is TH. Got it? So this is the way we are going to mention the ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Shall we start? So students, now I am going to explain how to mention ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So every time we must started in right hand side only. So right hand side first number ones, thereafter tens, then hundred, then thousand. So 8 ones, 9 tens, 500, 3000. Got it? Okay, tell me, what is the place value of 9? It's a tens. What is the place value of 3? 1000. Right. What is the place value of 5? 100. What is the place value of 8? Ones. Got it? So this is the way we easily identify the place value. So students, I give some more examples here. So now we are going to identify the place value. Look at the first example, 3. So what is the place value of 3? Ones, tens, 100. So 3 place value is 100. That means 300. What is the place value of 6? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Right. So 6th place value is 10. Tens. So how many tens? 6 tens. Look at the third example. What is the place value of 5? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 5 place value is 1000. That means 5000. The last example. What is the place value of 8? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 8th place value is ones. That means 8 ones. Got it? So now I am going to explain the expand form. What is expand form? Expand form is nothing. We just elaborate the number. I will give an example. 93. 3593. I take this number. So now I am going to mention the place value. So we must start it in right hand side, right? So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So now I am going to expand this number. Okay. So what is the first number? 3. So thereafter, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So we put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Plus. What is the next number? 5. So 5 after, how many numbers there? 1, 2. 2 numbers. So we put 2 zeros. Plus. The next number is 9. So after 9, how many numbers there? Only one number. So we put only 1 zero. So after 3. So after 3, no numbers. So we are not going to put any other zeros here. So this is a form to expand the number. If we add this number, we will get the same answer. Let's check. 3000, 500, 90 and 3. So 3, 9, 5 and 3. So 3593. We get the same answer. So this is the way we are going to segregate the expand form. So students, I give some more example here. Now we are going to expand the numbers. The first one, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So what is the first number? 3. So 3 after how many numbers there? 1, 2, 3 numbers. So we write 3 zeros. What is the next number? 5. So 5 after how many numbers there? 2. So 2 zeros. Thereafter 0. So 0 means nothing. So we just write 0 here. The last number is 6. Okay, next example, 4975. So we put the place value ones, tens, 100 and 1000. What is the first number? 4. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. So we put 3 zeros. What is the next number? 9. 9 after how many numbers? 2 numbers. So we put 2 zeros. The next number is 7. 7 after only one number. So 1 0 after 5. 5 is the last number. So we are not going to put any other zeros. Last example. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So first number is 5. So 5 after 3 numbers. So we put 3 zeros. Then 1. 1 after 2 zeros. The next number is 2. So 2 after only one number. So 1 0. The last number is 5. So students, now I am going to explain how to write expand form to standard form. So how to, this is the expand form, right? So how to write this the standard form. So what is this is the ones value because only one number here and ones, tens. So this is tens, ones, tens, 100. So this is 100, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Right. So we must start it in right hand side only. So right hand side first number 2. Next number is 30. But we must write in only the digit 3. The next number is 400 first, but we must write in the digit 4. Thereafter 5000. So what we are going to write? Only the digit 5. Right. So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 5432. Right. 5432. So this is the way to write the standard form. So students, I give some more examples here. Now we are going to write the standard form, expand form to standard form, right? So look at this, only one number here. So this is ones. So next one, ones and tens. So this is tens. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, now we are going to write the standard form. We must start it in right hand side, right? So ones value is 5. So tens, 3. Tens after 100. But 100 is here? No. So we are going to put the 0 here. So tens after 100 after 1000. 1000 is 2. So 2035. Look at the next example. The first one ones, 200. So ones, tens, 100. Next one ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we must start it in right hand side. So right hand side ones, tens, 100, 1000. Right. So what is the ones value? 7. What is the tens value? This is tens here? No. So we put 0. The next 100. So 100 values 2. 1000. 1000 values 7. So there was 7207. Look at the last example. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we must start it in right hand side only, right? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So what is the ones here? No ones here. So we put 0. What is the tens here? 7 tens. What is the 100 here? How many 100? 300. What is the 1000 here? 5000. So 5370. So this is the way to write expand form to standard form. So students, now I am going to explain odd number and even number. How to identify odd number and even number. If it has a pair, it's a even number. If it has a no pair, it's a odd number. Now I will explain. So now we are going to identify odd number and even number. 1. So we are going to draw only one ball. 2. So now we are going to draw 2 balls. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it. So it has a no pair. So this is odd number or even number? Odd number. 1, 2. So it has a pair. So this is even number. So it has a pair, but it has a no pair. So this is odd number. 1, 2. It has a pair. So this is even number. Got it? So this is the way to identify odd number and even number. So I give some numbers 10 and 30. So now we are going to identify 10 as odd number or even number, 13 as odd number or even number. Shall we identify 10? So now we are going to draw sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So 13. So now we are going to draw how many lines? 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now we are going to segregate 2 pair. Right. So this is 2 pair and it has 2 pair, it has 2 pair, 2 pair and 2 pair. Right. So everyone has a pair. So this is odd number or even number? Even number. So now we are going to segregate 2 pair. 1, 2, 3. But it has, the last one has no pair. So this is odd number or even number? Odd number. Got it? Listen students, 10. So 10 numbers, everyone has a pair. So this is even number. But 13, only one, the last one has no pair. So this is odd number. So this is one of the easiest method to identify odd number and even number.